A stunning revelation has rocked the world today. Iranian officials have opened the doors to their Balaban bomb factory for the very first time. Journalists were rushed into the heart of Iran's top-secret weapons facility. The reason? Well, it was to witness the creation of the country's newest precision-guided bomb. The news swept across major networks. Iran claims its Balaban bombs can strike with 100% accuracy. The world is now asking, how real is this claim? And what does it mean for the balance of power in the Middle East? The stakes are high. Neighboring countries are watching with concern. World leaders are demanding answers. What is happening behind these heavily guarded walls? Inside, the air crackles with urgency. The future of warfare may be taking shape right here in the heart of Iran. Stepping into the facility feels like entering another world, one where precision and secrecy are woven into every detail. The atmosphere is charged with a sense of purpose and intensity, as if every corner holds a story waiting to be told. The air is thick with the scent of machinery and metal, a constant reminder of the relentless work happening here. The rhythmic clatter of machines echoes through the vast halls, blending with the low hum of activity. Security is tight at every corner, with armed guards patrolling the entrances and exits, their eyes scanning for any sign of trouble. Surveillance cameras watch every move, their lenses capturing every detail, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed in this high-stakes environment. Workers in blue uniforms move with purpose, each step timed and measured. Their synchronized movements reveal a well-rehearsed routine, honed by countless hours of training. The factory floor stretches as far as the eye can see. Machines hum and hiss, filling the space with a mechanical symphony that never seems to pause. Bright lights shine down on long assembly lines, illuminating every workstation and casting sharp shadows on the polished floor. Each station is marked with warning signs and strict safety rules, a constant reminder of the risks involved in handling such powerful technology. The entire space is spotless, almost gleaming. Cleanliness here is not just about appearance, it's a matter of safety and discipline. The focus here is total. Every worker's concentration is unwavering, their attention fixed on the task at hand. Every worker has a job to do, and every task is vital. Each component assembled is a crucial part of a much larger system. Nothing is rushed, but nothing is wasted. Efficiency and accuracy are the guiding principles that keep the production line moving smoothly. Giant screens display plans for the Balaban bomb, showing each part and its place. Engineers review every detail, ensuring that nothing is left to chance. Outside, the world waits for answers, watching closely as the facility's secrets remain tightly guarded behind high walls and barbed wire. Inside, the future of Iran's military strength is being built piece by piece, with every bolt and circuit bringing the Balaban bomb closer to completion. It all starts with the arrival of raw materials. Trucks roll in under armed guard. Each load is carefully checked before entering the plant. Steel, aluminum, high-grade plastics, and electronic components form the base of every Balaban bomb. Workers unload heavy crates with cranes and forklifts. The steel is cold and silent, waiting to be shaped. Electronics are packed in anti-static bags, protected from even the smallest spark. Everything is cataloged and stored in climate-controlled rooms. Quality matters from the very first step. If the base materials are not perfect, the bomb will not be perfect. Inspectors move through the storage rooms daily. They check for flaws, cracks, or weaknesses in the materials. This careful attention to the basics is how the Balaban bomb's precision journey begins. The assembly line is the lifeblood of the factory. Here, machines and humans work side by side. The process starts with the steel shell. Sheets of metal are pressed, cut, and welded into the bomb's outer body. Sparks fly as robotic arms carve out perfect shapes. Next, workers add the bomb's electronic brain. Circuit boards, sensors, and wiring are connected by hand. Each connection is double-checked. The guidance fins are attached next. They fold in for storage and pop out mid-flight to steer the bomb. Every part must fit perfectly. Even a tiny mistake could ruin the bomb's flight. Workers use special tools to check the size and shape of every section. At each station, supervisors watch closely, ready to stop the line if they spot a problem. Piece by piece, the Balaban bomb comes alive on this relentless humming line. What makes the Balaban bomb so special is its brain. Deep inside each bomb lies a small computer. This computer talks to satellites and sensors. It knows exactly where the bomb is and where it needs to go. The bomb uses GPS signals and special cameras. These tools guide it to the target, even if the target moves. Small fins on the bomb adjust its path in real time, so if the wind changes or if the target tries to hide, the bomb can still find its mark. Engineers spend hours programming and testing the guidance system. They use flight simulators to mimic real attacks. Only after hundreds of tests does a guidance unit make it to the bomb assembly line. This advanced technology is why Iran claims 100% accuracy for the Balaban bomb. The people in the factory are more than just workers. They are craftsmen and women, each with a unique skill. Some shape metal shells. Others solder delicate wires onto tiny boards. Each worker takes pride in their job. Safety is always the first rule. Workers wear gloves, goggles, and special suits. They move carefully, avoiding mistakes. If one person finds a flaw, the whole line stops. No one wants to be the reason a bomb fails. Training is strict. New workers spend months learning from experts. They must pass tests before joining the main line. Teamwork is everything. Each person knows their part, but they also watch out for others. It is this human skill and care that turns raw materials into deadly precision weapons. As the bomb gets closer to completion, the process becomes even more intense and meticulous. The quality checks, well, they become even stricter, with every detail under scrutiny. Inspectors go over every single part with care, examining each component for the slightest imperfection. They use advanced technology, lasers and X-rays, to look inside the bomb's shell, peering into places the human eye can't reach. Searching for cracks, weak spots, or even loose connections, they leave nothing to chance. Every bomb is put through a final series of tests. Machines shake it, freeze it, and heat it up, simulating the harshest environments. This is done just to make sure it can survive real battle conditions, from freezing cold to scorching heat, and everything in between. If a bomb fails even one test, no matter how small the flaw, it's immediately taken apart and rebuilt from scratch, ensuring absolute reliability. Nothing less than perfection is allowed. Every bomb must meet the highest standards. The last step, honestly, is painting and sealing, which is more important than it seems. Workers spray the bomb with a special protective coating to shield it from the weather, moisture, and corrosion. Then, a unique serial number is stamped or engraved on each one, making every bomb traceable. That number tracks the bomb from the factory all the way to the battlefield, ensuring accountability at every step. Only after passing every single test and inspection does a Balaban bomb finally leave the factory floor, ready for its mission. Iran's leaders, they're really proud of the Balaban bomb. They claim it hits the target every single time. And this so-called 100% accuracy, well, it's more than just a boast. It means fewer bombs are needed to destroy a target, and there's way less risk of missing or accidentally hitting the wrong building. Military experts are calling this a game changer. Enemies have to rethink their defenses because they know when a Balaban bomb is launched, it will strike exactly where it's aimed. This changes how wars are planned and fought. The world is definitely watching closely. Some countries, honestly, they fear this new power. Others question whether that 100% accuracy is real. Still, every test and every demonstration so far has shown some pretty impressive results. With weapons this precise, Iran's military message is clear: every shot counts. The Balaban bomb is more than just a weapon. It's a symbol of Iran's growing power. With each new bomb, Iran's military gets a little smarter and a lot stronger. Old tactics just won't work against these new precision weapons. Commanders can now plan missions with more confidence, knowing their weapons will actually do what they promise. Attacks can be more targeted, and there's less risk to civilians or friendly forces. This makes Iran's military both feared and respected by its foes. The world's armies are paying attention. Some are already trying to copy Iran's technology, while others are looking for ways to defend against bombs that never miss. Honestly, a new arms race may be just beginning. Iran's message to the world is simple: precision is power, and power changes everything. From the moment raw materials first arrive at the gates of the factory, a complex and highly coordinated process begins to unfold. From the initial delivery to the second a bomb leaves the factory floor, every action is part of a carefully orchestrated chain. Every single step is controlled and precise, with rigorous checks and balances at each stage to ensure nothing is left to chance. The workers, the machines, and the supervisors all play a crucial role in maintaining this delicate balance. And the technology, advanced, automated, and ever-evolving, ties it all together for one goal: a weapon that never misses its mark. The Balaban bomb is changing how wars are fought, introducing a new level of precision and efficiency to the battlefield. It's also transforming how nations defend themselves, forcing military planners to rethink old strategies. Its promise of 100% accuracy is reshaping military strategies, not just in Iran, but in every country watching these developments unfold. Around the world, nations are taking notice and adapting, knowing that the balance of power is shifting. Countries now have to prepare for a future where every strike can be deadly accurate. The world is watching closely, and the stakes, honestly, are higher than ever before in modern history. Iran's Balaban bomb factory isn't just building weapons. It's building a new era of warfare, one that prioritizes precision over brute force. In this new era, precision is king, and even the smallest detail can tip the scales in a conflict. The tiniest adjustment or innovation can decide the fate of entire nations, making every decision critical. As the factory doors close behind the latest shipment, the world must now decide how to respond to this new and powerful reality, where technology and precision redefine the rules of engagement.